Sokoto State is burning. Oh, they are burning our shops. Oh, they are burning our goods. They are burning our goods at Agbe. Oh, nobody is protecting us. We are stuck. We are stuck. We are stuck. Oh, we are stuck. Oh, we are stuck. We are stuck. Oh, they are destroying things. The Christians are in trouble. The Christians are in trouble. We are stuck. Oh, where are the soldiers? Where are the Nigerian soldiers? Where are the Nigerian soldiers? We are stuck. We are stuck. We have family. We didn't do anything. We are stuck. We are stuck. They would have won this car. He did not bring it here. What for this one? Small. Nobody is doing anything. Nobody is doing anything. Everywhere is on fire. Agbe, Ode Port. That's the area that Igbos are staying. They are going to Ode Port. That's where we build houses. They are going to Tamaji. Our children are at home. We are stuck. We are stuck. We are stuck. We are stuck. Nobody is helping us. We are stuck. We are stuck. Where is Nigerian government? Where is the soldiers? Where is the soldiers? We are stuck. Where is the government of this Sokoto State? We are stuck. We are stuck. We are stuck. Everywhere is burning. We are stuck. We are stuck. Where is everybody? How can we die of nothing? How can we die of nothing? Where is the government of Sokoto State? We didn't do anything. We are just Nigeria. We didn't do anything. We didn't do anything. We are just Nigerians. Nobody choose to be born a Christian. Nobody choose to be born a Christian. Christianity is the religion of our parents. We didn't choose to be born a Christian. We didn't choose to be born a Christian. Where is the government of this town? We are stuck. We have a family here. We are stuck. We are stuck. We are stuck. We are stuck. Where is the government of Sokoto State? Where are the Nigerian soldiers? These are our shops. These are people's goods that are burning. Some of us are stuck. We can't even go home. We can't even go home. We can't even go home. They're going to us at home. Our kids are at home. We can't even go home. We are stuck. Everywhere is locked up. We are stuck. We're stuck. We didn't send the border to do anything. We respect each other. We are responsible Nigerians. Why are we going to suffer for the sin of some single person? How is it our fault? How is it our fault? We didn't choose our religion. We didn't choose our religion. We didn't choose our religion. We're just looking for how to feed our family.
What is sweat?
Yeah, live on Facebook. Look at the soldier now. Can they do one half here? Do one half here. Look at the soldier now. Where are the Nigerian soldiers? Where are they? This is my car. They all broke this car just like they fix it. I have to pay security people to bring it here. We're inside this motor park. That's the only place that is safe now. Because the motor park people are protecting us. But our kids are stuck at home. Our kids are at home.